The main new thing for the UK is Centena, which is our new collection, which is here. We make all of our frames out of acrylic, and we're the only people in the world that do that. The reason that we use acrylic is, you can see you've got something really substantial and really thick, but it's incredibly light. But also we've got this incredible array of colours that we can produce to the Pantone. It's a special type of acrylic that we've developed along with our supplier so that we could make handmade frames. 2019 is our centenary. There are 10 shapes, 10 colours, and it's 10 millimetres thick. I've had the opportunity to take them out into the market and see how people are responding, so we've been doing trunk shows over the last month or so. There is a small audience in every place that are looking for something exciting. What I saw during these trunk shows was people just jumping up and down, showing their friends, and you could see how excited they were to put on an orange frame. Kirk Kirk will be showing the Centena collection and the Kaleidoscope collection and the Spectrum collection at 100% Optical. I'm looking forward to it.